Before you reach for the code clear function, you need to capture the critical evidence that can make or break your diagnosis. In this lesson, we'll show you the right steps to lock in data before it's lost. The ECU stores codes based on monitored signals and precise conditions, not on the identity of a failed part. Codes and freeze frame are snapshots of a problem, but don't tell you the whole story. The real-world conditions, like when the fault set and which parameters were abnormal, are crucial clues. Before you clear any codes, always record the code list, freeze frame data, and relevant live data values. This establishes a baseline and gives you a reference for the conditions that actually triggered the fault. Skipping this step can destroy clues that make the root cause obvious. Show scan data from a networked module against the direct local measurement at the source. Codes and scan data only tell part of the story. Compare readings to what the system should show under current conditions. Is that map sensor value reasonable on a cold start? Does a high voltage code match a real open circuit? This step isolates the true problem before any parts get replaced. Choose the first useful test from symptom, code, and data evidence instead of guessing. Clearing codes too soon erases freeze frame, pending faults, and the evidence trail you need. This makes repeating the fault and finding intermittent problems much harder and wastes valuable time. Always confirm the clues and run checks before you clear anything. Use the code state to choose whether to inspect stored evidence, recreate the condition, or measure the system while the fault is active. Lay out the proof sequence before a component can be blamed. A pending code shows the fault has been seen, but it may still need another failed monitor run before it becomes current. A history code says the module stored evidence from an earlier failure, so the next test should recreate the condition instead of erasing it. Always gather full evidence, codes, freeze frame, live data, before clearing or replacing anything. Use this snapshot to guide your tests and prove the problem, rather than guess or erase clues you can't get back. Following this evidence-based path means you'll solve problems faster, waste fewer parts, and never erase your best clues before you need them.